Alright, what I got here is a piece of scrap MDF that I've put a 3/4 inch guide on so they can go into a miter slot. And I've cut a groove flush up through the end here, and I've put marks at 2.5 and 3.5 inches so we have a 5-inch and 7-inch diameter disc. And I've got a piece of simple pine here, a 3/4 inch pine that I've made 7.5 inches big around and drilled through the center. This will go in here and be my pivot point as I push it forward. Okay, well, actually not that much cleanup at all. This one came out great, and all three of them only took about 5 minutes to cut out. It was longer to set up always it's more to set up the centers and things like that, but piece of cake.